Hello beautiful divas, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Nora here again today with the beauty tips that you might be interested in knowing. Don't mind me. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful queens. So today I'm here with a good topic that I know most people, most divas have been sending me messages on what can help them with dark spots. Yes, today's video I'll be talking about how you can promise a simple but very super effective dark spot removing body cream. And our key and main ingredient for today is Palmer Skin Success. Yes, I'll be using this to show you how to make a super effective dark spot body cream. Okay, before we dive into today's video, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please again subscribe to this channel, join this family where we talk about beauty, skincare, beauty tips, skincare, fashion and lifestyle. Join us. Okay, here we talk about skincare products that work, review products that give good and effective results. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to promise this product to help you get rid of dark spots on your body, on your skin, to help you correct if dark inner ties. Yes, this mixture I'll be showing you today help correct dark inner ties. Yes, but with this, when you want to use this for your dark inner ties, I mean the way I'm going to mix it, that will be showing you in a few minutes time. You need to use a very mild soap. Yes, use a mild soap. Do not use a strong soap while trying to get off your dark inner ties. Okay, this helps take off all the dark spots on your skin. Okay, if your dark spot is severe, you can use Crusader soap to take a shower while you use this cream. Okay, I'm showing you how you can use this to get off any dark spot in your skin, the tiniest dark spot. And also, one good thing you should know about, you'll be happy about, is that this you can also use on your face. The mixture we're making today is very safe for your face and your body. It can take off the dark spots on your face, it can take out the dark spots on your body. Okay, and if you have this very itchy, there are some spots that come with itchiness, that those itchy kind of spots. If you have those itchiness, there's an ingredient we'll be adding to the mix that will help take care of the itchiness. If you're having any itchy kind of slight stings or whatever on your skin, that will help correct the itchiness. This is 100% confirmed effective dark spot cream. Okay, it helps take off dark spot like super fast. So let's get to the workstation. So I will show you the magic of how to get off your dark spots within 14 days. Yes, I said 14 days. Super effective dark spot removing cream. Now let's get into that. Hello beautiful people, so welcome here. So now I'll be showing you a tutorial, like I said earlier, on how to make your dark spots eraser cream. This cream is very powerful. It's very active in correcting dark spots. This cream will take off the tiniest dark spot from your skin. Okay, so the materials we need for this dark spot cream. This cream is a dark spot cream, and at the same time it helps correct stretch marks. It helps correct itchiness. Like if you have that kind of dark spot that comes with itchy, like it scratches your skin, it itches you, okay, this will correct it. So I will tell you the ingredients in this mix that helps in terms of the itchiness. Okay, so but if you have those dark spots on your skin and it doesn't come with itchiness, then you don't need the particular ingredients. I'll be showing you everything. I'll be introducing and the ingredients we need for this thing one after the other. And as you can see, we're not using too many items for this mix. As you can see, we're not using too many items for this mix. So number one item for our mixture is Palmer Skin Success with vitamin E dark spot. Is an anti-dark spot fade cream for all skin types. Fade dark spot, even skin tone. Is a very good cream. So I'm going to read out the items this cream contains. As you can see, so direction: lightning effect on this product may not be noticed on very dark skin. Use as directed by a doctor. If no improvement is seen after 3 months of treatment, use of this product should be discontinued. Children under 12 years of age do not use unless directed by a doctor. Okay, so now I'm going to be reading out some active ingredients contained in this Palmer's. Okay, before I do that, as you can see, Palmer Skin Success Fade Cream gives you a flawless radiant complexion by effectively correcting discoloration such as dark spot, age spot, uneven skin tone. So the key ingredients contained in this Palmer Skin Success, it has retinol, it has vitamin E, it has alpha hydroxide fruit acid, it has vitamin C, it's enhanced moisturizer, helps improve fine lines, powerful antioxidant, it exfoliates skin, naturally brightens and even skin tone, deeply nourish the skin. Okay, so these are the key ingredients. This cream is very nice. So even without mixing this cream, mixing it like this for dark spot, this can be used for dark spot treatment. It will help correct your dark spot, but in a very mild gradual process. So the promixing we're doing will kind of make it more effective, and it will help fade the dark spots on your skin completely. Like when I mean completely to fade the dark spot, but it's not meant to be used for a very long time. This is just a treatment cream. Now look at drug fat. It contains hydroquinone 2.0% skin lightener, as you can see. So this mixture is a treatment cream. When you have dark spots all over your skin, you need something. You need this to correct those dark spots. It will help. The mixture I'll be showing you in a few minutes time will help correct the dark spots on your skin completely, like fade them completely. Okay, and if you have itchiness, I'll show you an ingredient you add to this mix. If you're having this very itchy skin, you add it. You can still add it even if your skin is not itching you have dark spot, it still will enhance the effectiveness of the cream. But if you have it's okay, I'll get to that first. So let me just conclude with the Palmer's. Okay, so it's a treatment cream. So even if you're not promixing it like this, you want to use Palmer's to correct dark spots or to fade dark spots from your skin, you can use it. It's correct dark spots mildly, like it's mild. Okay, it's not like fast action. You start seeing good result from 1 month to 2 months. But it will correct the dark spots. Okay, so it works on its own. Now look at it has retinol. You know how important retinol is. Very good. Retinol help correct fine lines, wrinkles. Retinol is very, very good. Okay, and this mixture is best used at night. It's best used at night time. So this is the second ingredient we'll be adding to this mix. So this is it, number 2. So number 3 will be miracle powder. Miracle powder is the next ingredient we'll be adding to our mix. This powder is small but mighty. This helps in correcting pimples. Okay, now this mix I'm making now can be used on the face. Yes, you can use this on your face, but only at night. Do not apply this and move around during the daytime. If you have pimples, this mix will help you correct your pimples. This will help correct acne spots, acne marks. This will help correct pimples. This will help clear blemishes from your face. Okay, you can use this mix. It's a face and body mix. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body, but please at night. Then during the daytime you apply your moisturizer. And before you know it, it depends on skin type. The result varies from at least let me say from 14 days upwards. You should get a very visible result. Now let me get the camera very clearer to capture the write-ups for you all to see. So this is what it looks like from the inside. Okay, the packet, like, okay, now I think the camera is better now. So miracle powder for the cure of burns, black spots, pimples, black knuckles, brown patches, stretch mark, and aftershave. Okay, now this is the last item we'll be adding to our mix, the dark spot correcting cream. This is the tube of this citroclear serum. This is the citroclear tube. Okay, so now this is optional. If you don't, this mix is a lightening mix. It's gonna lighten your skin while correcting your dark spots. It's gonna lighten your skin. Okay, so if you have itchiness, you can add this. This will help. This will really help in correcting. This will help correct. If you're having itchiness, this will help calm it. Okay, so this is optional. It will help calm it. And mind you, this will also enhance the cream to make it lighten your skin. It's going to lighten your skin. So if you have those very big, like the black spots are like bold on your skin. So I'll just say for the first 7 days, you just apply directly to those dark spots, directly to the dark spots. Okay, if it's not really well faded, you can extend the 1 week to another 10 days to 10 days. Yeah, so by 10 days time, the dark spots must have faded to an extent. Then you now start applying the cream all over the body to blend out any tiny spots, okay, the ones you can't apply directly to. So those are very obvious dark spots that are big or big bold on your skin. You first of all apply directly to those spots the first 7 to 10 days. So by at the end of 10 days, those dark spots must have lightened. Then you apply generously all over body, okay, to continue treatment to help blend out your skin. So you shouldn't use this mix more than a month, maximum a month and 2 weeks. The result must have been glaring, okay. A maximum a month and 2 weeks, you should stop treatment and you get a good lightening lotion to maintain your skin tone, to maintain the flawless skin you must have achieved using the dark spot corrector. Okay, now let's get into our mix. So first of all, I'll have to pour in this into the bowl, okay. So this is what it looks like. This is the cream. I just opened it. This is the cover. As you can see, this is the original, okay. When you're buying all this, make sure you buy the original. Do not buy fake, so you get the effective result of this product. Do not buy fake. This is, as you can see, this is the authentic original product of Palmer Skin Success, okay. Every item you're using here today don't mind my glove. Every item we're using here today are pure original, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this into the bowl, okay. My glove broke when I was trying to arrange the items I need for today's mix. So I'm just going to cut the camera and I'll put this into here, okay. And I'll open other items because I'm holding the camera. I can't find this stuff. So I'll just cut the camera and I'll pour in the cream inside here. I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, I've just transferred the cup cream into my mixing bowl. Okay, this is the Palmer's Skin Success. So the next thing I'll be adding to this is the Citro Clear. I already opened the cover, so I'll be adding half of the Citro Clear into the Palmer's, half. Okay, so when you're making it, you're supposed to add half in. Okay, that's half. Okay, that's half now. Okay, so next I'll be adding the miracle powder. I'm just gonna pour everything, then I mix. Just miracle powder, you need just 1 cup of the miracle powder. So we just add 1 cup. This is it. We use the cover of the miracle powder. 1 of it is what you need. Look at it. Look at it. That's the cup. Just 1 cup of this. Then the Citro Clear tube, I'm going to be adding half as well. Okay, so I'm going to be adding half. Okay, the person I'm making this will have dark spots, those very bold dark spots on her skin, and also it's kind of itchy. Her said the harmattan, the dry weather, is making her skin feel like crack, like it's really itchy. It's really itching her. So I'm going to be giving her this with herbal soap mix I already prepared for her. So sorry about that. So that's it, half. So I'm going to be giving her a cream she will use alongside a soap. A herbal soap already prepared for that. She's going to be maxing the soap on her skin for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, she'll wash it off, take her bath, then apply this cream. Okay, so I'm going to mix this, then I come back to show you what it looks like. I'll be back. So I just finished mixing it. This is how look at the color. It looks very nice. This cream, as you've seen, this cream here is very effective. Okay, so I made this for a client, like I said earlier, that has dark spots, those very obvious big dark spots. So what she's gonna do for the first 1 week to 10 days, she's gonna be applying this. As you can see, the consistency is thick. Okay, it's not runny. So she's gonna be applying it directly to those dark spots the first 7 to 10 days. Then after that, she can now use the remaining one to apply all over her skin. Then by the time she's done with this, the dark spots must have corrected. Then she will now use lightening cream to maintain her skin, to maintain a flawless skin. Okay, there's an organic method of making dark spots cream, like dark body. Then what am I even saying? There's another method of making dark spots cream for dark spots on your face, on your body. This cream can be used both on the face and body. Only at night. During the day, she can use the person using it can use a moisturizer. Okay, there's an organic method of making this cream, but this is a simple and fast recipe, okay, to help correct dark spots on the skin. This will also help improve the stretch marks on your skin, to help lessen the look, kind of fade them. Not like removing them completely, no, it's not going to remove them completely, but it's going to kind of fade it off. And secondly, for this weather, she complains she's having this itchiness, like her skin feels cracky. Okay, so this will also help calm her skin, help moisturize her skin, help make her skin feel relaxed. Okay, why treating those spots. So like on her back part, her back has more of that dark spot, so, and those tiny very small ones, so she can apply directly. She will just apply all over her back, well, okay, to help relieve those itchiness, to help relieve the dry feel, okay, to help moisturize her back. Okay, but on the other part of her body, like her thighs and legs, where she has the obvious dark spot, she will just apply directly. Then after 10 to 1 week, 10 days to 1 week to 10 days time, then she can now apply completely on her thighs and on her legs. Okay, there's a soap, of course there's a soap I'll be giving her to use alongside with this, to help make the results fast, to help give her a faster result. I don't know why I'm stammering these days. To help give her a faster result. Okay, that will be at the end of today's video. Okay, do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notification post, so you'll be notified each time I make a beautiful video like this for you. Okay, try out this recipe and you'll be happy you did. You know, I give you any recipe I drop here are recipes that work. Try this recipe, you come back to thank me. All right, see you all. I love you and God bless you.